Believe it or not, this is like $1.8 million. Going to the newspaper place. Hello? Is anybody there?
Newsroom.
Hi, newsroom. Here at the front, and I'm looking for a copy of the newspaper. Okay, cool.
Alrighty?
Thank you.
You bet. Take care.
Bye. All right, there it is. We got the answer. We're gonna send the email, dig into the archives. Woo! It's a banger. The boy's gonna send the email. Ooh. Email sent. Now we wait. Well, we don't wait. There's actually another option. Let's get into that now.